Looking for a powerful, affordable smartwatch that does it all? Say hello to the Kalobee SK50 smartwatch for men, now on sale for just $36.49, down from $405. That's a massive 91% off. Let's start with the 1.85-inch Ultra HD display, big, bright, and perfect for broader arms and thicker fingers. With a 360 by 360 resolution, you get stunning clarity and a smooth touch experience. Need long battery life? The 630 mAh battery gives you up to 90 days standby and 5 to 7 days of normal use, all from just a 3-hour charge. And yes, it makes and answers calls. With Bluetooth 5.0, stay connected, receive texts and app notifications, and even control your music and camera, all from your wrist. Whether you're working out or walking the dog, the Kalobee SK50 has 100+ sports modes, heart rate, blood pressure, SpO₂, and sleep tracking, all powered by upgraded sensors to keep your health in check. It also includes AI voice assistant support, weather updates, alarms, timers, and over 300 watch faces, plus the option to customize with your own photo using the DA Fit app. It works perfectly with most Android and iOS phones, Android 5.0 and up, iOS 10.0 and above. This is your chance to get a feature-packed, durable smartwatch without breaking the bank. Original price, $405.46, now only $36.49. Click the link in the description below to buy it now while this deal lasts. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews and deals every week. Thanks for watching. This is your smart choice, made smarter.